In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build the directory websites in the WordPress absolutely free. So I have just built the three demos here. First one is for the doctors for their nearby clinics, and look at this directory website for the various clinics and the doctors with the reviews, the categories, and there's the map available that will show up the nearby doctors and the clinic here. Not only that, anyone can also list their directory as well in this website here. So this kind of the website is really helpful if you have the regional site for the any kind of directory in your city here. And not only this is I have built for the doctors, I have also a service directory website here, and you can see in this website you can find anyone like the electricians, plumbers, and kind of the various services people offering you, and similar kind of the features also available in this platform as well. And look at here, this one is for the real estate directory. So these kind of the websites you can build right now watching this video here in the WordPress. And let me tell you, this is absolutely free here, and although there are some premium add-ons that you can also buy that if you want to add those services, but starting the directory service is absolutely free here. And I am using the hostinger to hosting the site for the domain name as well, so you can just also check out the hostinger hosting, and this is absolutely affordable I found over the years, and lot of these services is really good here, especially the customer support on this platform here. So if you want to check it out, the hosting, I have given the link in the description. And let me now give you the demo here. So I have created a fresh website here, and look at here, this is absolutely fresh. There is no nothing is appearing here. Okay, so might be possible, let me first go to the dashboard section here. Okay, and let me show you, this is absolutely clean website. And although there's some demo content is available, and this demo content is just for the theme I have installed by default while installing the this WordPress setup here. So I will go to the appearance and first delete this theme here. Or what we can do, we can also install our first theme that will be our core base of the directory website here. So once your hosting and the website setup is done, we are going to add the theme here. So right now you can see this is the Astra theme that is absolutely free by default is added. Now I'm going to add the theme that will be our base for this directory website, and the theme name is the listum. Okay, so simply search the listum, you will find the theme. This is absolutely free. Click here on the install, and after that you need to activate it. So now let's activate. And now once you activate the theme, it's pretty fast, let me tell you. You can see the hosting speed, everything is super fast here. It will ask you to install sub required plugins. Okay, so simply click here on the Bing installing the plugins and click all here, install and apply. And now pretty much our base is ready with the theme and the core plugins we have installed here. So once this second step is done, we are going to import the demo here. So right now I have showed you this is the listum, and here you can find the different kind of the imports available on this platform, and there's also the add-ons available. There's the theme that is going to inbuilt with just I have installed, and the plugins is also inbuilt. What I liked about the listum bundle here for the directory website, you will get everything. You will get the add-ons, you will get the plugins, you will get the themes, and much of the stuff here. And not only that, it's also give us the features like the live Google map integration and the OpenStreet integration. We have also the page builders like the Divi and the Elementor and all these features. So if you want to check more about the listum here, I'm giving the link in the description. And if I talk about its pricing, although it is absolutely free, I have showed you that you can install the theme and the core plugins absolutely free. But some of the things, like you can see here, we have around the 32 add-ons here. So these add-ons will not be in the free version. So to get these add-ons, let's talk about what are the add-ons here first. You can see this is all the add-ons you are going to see, like the Pro add-on, we have the Elementor add-on, we have the Jobs add-on if you want to start a job directory website, Compare add-on. So this is all the add-ons you are going to get in the premium version here. So it is starting from the $250 for the lifetime deal for the 2 sites. And I know it's a little bit expensive in your pocket, so let me give you the more affordable option, that is its lifetime deal on the AppSumo. So it is starting from the $59, and look at here the pricing. The $59, still the number of the website is the similar, and all the features you are getting here is the similar to the this pricing of the $250 for the lifetime. That's why I think you should definitely did not miss out the AppSumo lifetime deal. So once you got the lifetime deal, this is the dashboard you are going to log in here, and here you will find out all the premium add-ons that you can download with a single click. For example, I want to add a booking add-on in the directories. Okay, for example, I am going to start a doctor's clinic nearby kind of the directory website, and there anyone want to book a meeting or appointment with that doctor or the clinic, I need this booking add-on. So simply I will click here, and now it will be instantly download in my local device. Here you can see it will be instantly downloaded. Now let me get back to my website here, and I think the everything is done here. I am going to go on this theme section, and I am going to right now import the doctor's clinic directory website here, okay, or the demo here. So if I scroll down below, you can see we have these few demo import options available. If you want to start a real estate, this is the import you have to do. If you want to start a business directory, this is the import. There's also the health directory for the doctors or the nearby clinic, travel directory, services directory, and the city portal. So right now I want to start a directory for the doctors and the clinics. Okay, so I will simply click here on the import demo, and now you will see it will ask me to do the few things. First of all, it is asking me to install all these plugins here. So right now there are the two plugins, all-in-one SEO and the monster styles. There's the star mark, but it's not that much of the important plugins. You can just skip it, but these are the important plugins. You can see there's the lock icon, means it is definitely needed to be installed in your WordPress dashboard here. So it's by default automatically ticked here. Simply click here on the continue and import. It will instantly within just few seconds install all these plugins in the theme, and now after that it is going to start importing the data. So after just activating all the plugins, it will show you that importing the content, and it can take sometimes like the around 5 minutes, something like. So you have to wait till then. So what are the other things we can do here? So if I go to the post section, not the post, I want to go to the listings option. So in the listings, I can in the back end add the listings manually. I have showed you the front end how you can add the listing. This is the back end. Simply you have to click here on the add listing, and you or your team member start adding up the listing details. This is the similar like with the name, and this is the paragraph, this is the listing information, address information, all the things you have to just step by step for fill up, and your listing will be done. Now let me tell you how you can just suppose you want to customize this home page according to your needs. There by default, when you will start adding up the listings in the page I have showed you, this will automatically going to change up with your nearby defaults. For example, this one here. Okay, so right now if you want to change the dashboard or this front home page, how you can do that? Simply click on the edit with the Elementor. Because this page is built on the Elementor, we can just drag and drop or easily click any element and then change the text, change the buttons, change the color, logo, everything. There's also the logo button or the logo icon option is available in the menu. If I go to this here, if I go to element, not the Elementor, if I go to the this one is the, there's the yeah, appearance, theme, and there will be this theme settings I need to find out. You can see details, and okay, there is no the theme settings. I need to go to the theme settings. Okay, this is the design option. They I think I can also change the logo and the stuff here on this design section. Let me see. Okay, this is, I think, not that option. This is not the option. Definitely this is not the one. So while this is, check out. So this is my home page on the Elementor. I'm crossing this one, and suppose I want to change this text, simply I will drag and drop, and now I can change here text. I can add my any word here. I can change this image here. You can see this is the image. I can change, just upload your own image and you will able to do that. If you drag down below, you can see this is the another how you can change. Simply you have to select that element, and after that on the left side you will get the options to change or customize. If you want to add a new section, simply click here on the plus icon, and then you will able to add the these other options as well. Okay, so that's how pretty much it will work out. Now let me show you how you can change the logo or the stuff here. So if I go to list term, there will be the theme settings. Okay, so I need to find the theme settings, list terms. Yeah, you can see this is the settings, and might be I will able to find out the options. Yeah, you can see this is the option available. This is date, currency, listing. If you want to change anything, you can do that. And this is the general settings. This is the map module. So right now I am using the this one, Google Maps, but I can also change it with the OpenStreetMap. So this is for the Google Maps, and here you can add also the Google Maps API key. Okay, now this is the customizer, and I think here I will able to change the logo or fav icon of the this website here. Yeah, I can change the colors, I can change the this one, that is the fonts. Still not. Buttons, form, single listing, front end, dashboard. If you want to change anything in the front end, your listing page, you can do that here in the settings. You can see this is pages, this is all the things. This is the guest submission restriction. This is users, advanced, AI. Okay, there's also the AI option available, and I want to see what this thing can do. This is the profile, working hours, and auto mapping. Okay, with this we can do the auto mapping. Yeah, list domer, I will able to find the setting option, and this is the theme settings, and here you will able to add the your own logo for the site. You can do the listum settings. This is for the color and the style. This is page heading, typography. Overall, here you can control your website elements for the brand, color, style, or the fav icon, all these stuffs. Okay, there's you can also able to add the tracking code, javascript, all this stuff. Okay, so this is how you are going to customize your website once it is built. And if you want to start adding the listing, I have already told you in the backend this is the listing section available. You have to simply click on the add new listing, or on the website you have to click here on this one, that is the add listing. And one by one you are going to start adding the listings, and in the end your website will be the build. I have also told you how you can just change or customize any page of your website. Here simply go to or click here on the edit the page, and this will back with the Elementor editing panel, and there will be able to easily select any element and change that. So that's all for today's video. I want to talk about, if you want to try out this theme and the plugins and the add-ons, right now you can try it absolutely free. But if you want to check out the premium add-ons, you have to go with the premium plan. Right now it's available with a lifetime deal on the app Sumo, starting from the just $59. So pretty much really affordable compared to its official pricing that we have to pay around the $250 for the same pricing. In app Sumo we are paying the $59. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with all these kind of the videos. Bye bye, take care. I will see you in the next one.